Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our technical English lesson. This is our revision number 5, and our topic today is motion words and measuring instruments. In this lesson, we are going to revise and practice using the 4 basic motion words correctly. Number 2, identifying 8 measuring instruments and what they measure. You need to remember these words: measuring, instruments, and motion. Motion means movement. You can pause the video at any time and go over the meanings if you need to. Now, do you remember the 4 basic motions? They are linear motion, reciprocating motion, oscillating motion, and rotary motion. Linear motion is movement in a straight line and in one direction. Reciprocating motion is a two-way movement forwards and backwards or up and down. Oscillating motion is swinging from side to side. And rotary motion is a movement in circular direction. Now, let's answer some questions on motion. Number 1, the hands of the watch move. This should be very easy. The answer is A, clockwise. Number 2, the pistons move up and down in a quick space motion. Movement up and down is reciprocating motion. Number 3, the motion of a pendulum from side to side motion is oscillating motion. Number 4, space motion is a movement in a straight line and in one direction. Movement in a straight line and in one direction is linear motion. Great. Now, let's see if you still remember some measuring instruments. Odometer, tachometer, barometer, altimeter, and scale. Do you remember them? Odometer is an instrument that shows how many miles or kilometers a vehicle has traveled. Tachometer is a piece of equipment used to measure the speed at which an engine turns. Barometer is an instrument that measures air pressure. Altimeter is an instrument that tells you how high you are above the sea level. And finally, scale is a machine for weighing people and objects. Do you remember this table? We have measuring instruments here. Let's complete the table with what is measured, unit of measurement, and abbreviation. Number 1, barometer. What is measured? Pressure. The unit of measurement is kilopascals, and the abbreviation is kPa. Tachometer measures speed, and the unit of measurement is kilometers per hour, and the abbreviation is km/h. Number 3, odometer. What is measured? Distance. What's the unit of measurement? Kilometers, and the abbreviation is km. Number 4, altimeter measures height, and the unit is meters, and the abbreviation is m. Number 5, stopwatch measures time, and the unit is seconds, and the abbreviation is S. Heart rate monitor measures rate of heartbeat, and the unit of measurement is beats per second, and the abbreviation is BPS. Power monitor measures power output, and the unit of measurement is watts, and the abbreviation is W. And finally, scale is for measuring weight, and the unit of measurement is kilogram, and the abbreviation is kg. Great. Now let's answer some questions on measuring instruments and what they measure. Number 1, we use a barometer to measure pressure. Great. An altimeter is used for measuring height above sea level. We can measure time using a stopwatch. Number 4, we use an odometer to measure distance. And finally, what do you use for measuring your speed? Tachometer. This is the end of our lesson. Don't forget to do your homework on Teams, and hope you will be with me in our next revision class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.